Hey everyone! From your smartphone assistant to Netflix recommendations, and even the subtitles for this video, AI is already deeply embedded in our lives. Sometimes it feels like, does this thing know me better than I know myself? But here's a thought, this incredibly smart, sometimes even a bit creepy, artificial intelligence, why on earth did humans decide to create it in the first place? Was it just to avoid homework? Or perhaps there was a bigger picture, like some grand plan from, say, the US? Today, we're diving deep into the real, fascinating, and sometimes surprising reasons behind AI's birth. Stay tuned. Alright, let's hop in our time machine. Whoosh! The idea of AI is older than you think. From talking statues and ancient myths to intelligent robots in 1950s sci-fi novels, humans have always dreamed of thinking machines. Maybe just maybe, we were a little lazy. Then, in the mid-20th century, geniuses like Alan Turing, often called the father of AI, emerged. Yes, the very same protagonist from the movie The Imitation Game. Turing posed the question, can machines think? Turing Test. If you can't tell whether you're talking to a human or a machine, well, let's just say the machine is thinking. Something like that. And in 1956, the Dartmouth Conference. This is where the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. It was like the founding meeting of the Avengers, AI edition. Early scientists were incredibly optimistic. Human-level AI within 10 years. They proclaimed. It's 2024 now. Early AI mainly solved logic puzzles and played checkers. Cute, right? But it soon hit a wall. Computer performance back then was worse than your current smartphone, and data was scarce. Eventually, a period known as the AI winter arrived. Funding dried up, and people started saying, AI? Nah, not that special. It was like a fantastic first date followed by an awkward second meeting where the magic just vanished. But we humans, we don't give up easily, do we? AI woke up from its hibernation. The game changers? Massive leaps in computing power and the dawn of the big data era, thanks to the internet. Suddenly, AI had a vast library of learning material and a super powerful brain. This is when technologies like machine learning and deep learning skyrocketed. The era of AI learning and getting smarter on its own had arrived. Like a Pokemon evolving. Now, let's peek into America's recent interests. Why are the US, especially Silicon Valley's big tech companies, so obsessed with AI? First, economic value and efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks in industries and maximize productivity. For companies, it's the goose that lays golden eggs for cost reduction and profit increase. Of course, this also fuels growing concerns about job displacement. Is AI going to take my job? That's a pretty hot topic. Second, the global tech supremacy race. The AI competition, particularly between the US and China, is intense. There's a strong belief that the nation leading in AI technology will dominate future industries. It's like a new space race, wouldn't you say? That's why the US government and corporations are pouring astronomical sums into AI R&D. The term AI supremacy isn't just buzz. Third, personalized services and improving quality of life. Netflix uncannily recommending movies you'll love, Spotify curating playlists that make you want to dance, that's all thanks to AI. In healthcare, AI is improving diagnostic accuracy and shortening drug development times. This is a real game changer. And recently, generative AI is all the rage, right? Things like ChatGPT and Midjourney that write text, create images, and even code. This signals that AI is encroaching on the realm of creativity, leading to a mix of excitement and apprehension. How will AI ethics issues be addressed? That's another major discussion point these days. Okay, but aside from these grand reasons, aren't there more fundamental, perhaps more human reasons? I think so. Humans are inherently curious creatures. What's beyond that? What else can I do with this? We ask endless questions. Maybe AI development started from a pure intellectual curiosity. What are the limits of intelligence? Can we create intelligence ourselves? Like a child constantly disassembling and reassembling a toy. And let's be honest, we humans, we just want things to be easier, right? We wish someone else would do the tedious chores, or some smart entity would solve complex problems for us. AI might have seemed like the ultimate problem solver to fulfill such desires. Oh AI, please clean my room. We've all imagined that at least once, haven't we? Perhaps AI development is one of humanity's greatest challenges, and at the same time, an expression of our most human desires. Did we want to become gods? Or did we just want to play video games instead of doing homework? I'll leave the answer to your imagination. So, let's wrap this up. Artificial intelligence wasn't born from a single eureka moment. It's a complex product of scientific curiosity, economic necessity, geopolitical competition, and the fundamental human desire to make life more convenient. It's hard to pin it down to just one reason. AI will continue to integrate more deeply into our lives. AI alignment, ensuring AI develops in line with human values and goals, is becoming a critical challenge. Like a well-trained puppy, we need to keep an eye on AI to ensure it gets along with us, right? If you found today's story intriguing, if you're curious about the future AI will shape, then smash that like button. And hit subscribe to join our channel's Intellectual Expedition team. Your subscriptions and likes truly empower us to create more exciting content. Stay tuned for more mind-boggling topics next time, and please leave your thoughts on why AI was developed or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, bye.